Hello guys, this is a small tutorial about my neuronal net that colorize in betweens. This is my repository and I made this tutorial because my code is a bit messy and it needs a bit of explanation. This is not that clear. If you want to know how this works in real life scenarios, just click here and then there are two videos. This is a video where you can see a whole scene who would like. It's a scene from Haikyuu with the keyframes and the in-betweens one. And this is another set of just random shot of animation, and to see how it works better, this is the generated and this is the linear input and this is the real one. And the definition of this is kind of bad. And first we need two programs to generate the input data. This one over here. First one, we need Python to detect the shots of animation, and then we need this sketch keras. You can clone it to get the gengas with the generated gengas of the images. This image over here. So let's get started. First, here. Here, I made a small data set. I didn't put that. Here, anime data 4, anime beta, data, video, auto. No, there is nothing here. Video clips. Anime data set. No, isn't it either. First, we will take a chapter. Previously, I have double the shot with small shots. I don't need too many shots to show how you should to show how this works. Well, first of all, you have an anime chapter. You use Python, and Python give you this. Wait. Oh, well, the first one doesn't work. It's divided into shot of animations. See a bit of more to see. Okay. Yeah, those are shots of animations from Nisekoi. This from Nisekoi chapter 1. Okay. A cooking scene. Okay. You have your shots of animation in a folder. Everyone in a folder. Okay. Then I recommend you to you use this data preparation. This okay, use data preparation. I use command line for this project. Oh, okay. Well, not Anaconda. Anaconda. Then I need to activate the Keras and TensorFlow. Okay. Then I go to my repository. Then okay. We are ready. So the link. This is my folder of anime shots. Then I need to use video clips folder to image.raw. Okay. Anime between Fireproject. Okay. put path 1. I need this. Then I need an output. Create an output. Color. I use color is good. And see. I explain later why you need 2 folders in one. And I put this in path 2. Okay. So I tell you need this function. Okay. This, URL for the video. This is path 1. Path 1 path 2. This one, the output 1. Control C. I go here. Python data preparation.py, and this is executing. I made a mistake. Video clip for the requirement number. Okay. This give you each of the frames have a number. So you with this number give you which is the starter one. Again, run again. Clips, color, video failed to load. I trick them. Pay 2. URL video, URL raw. Number. What happened here? The video failed to load. It's like they are missing. Okay, a smart book. Let me see. URL folder video. URL folder. Clips name. I don't know what is happening. Load to fail to load. Reading this clip. Finally between project data. Color. Data. Oh, I see what happened. I paste badly this. Okay, yeah. I paste this badly. Okay, I give the bad address. So, oh yeah. Okay, this tell you the frames that are making properties 12. Okay. Aquí give you the number. It's 600 and well, okay. The second number tells you how many frames saved in one per video. See how is this working? Color. See? Okay. We're seeing again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. This is the shots of animation with video. So first shot, second shot, and those are the shots. Okay. And we can see it. To see the name, properties, the same the name of I cannot. Okay. First of all, tell you this scene 6, and this is the frame 469. This is the way it put names. Like here we have beautiful in betweens. That's the in betweens of the hair. So here you have 2 options. This is not okay. I stop it. You can delete manually the in between where there is no in between. Here's only layout and things like that. The movement of this, let me see. Delete this and the movement. uh, well, it's a bit slow because this is compressing. Scene 47. Okay. How many scenes we have? We have 100. Okay. I make a code here. Well, this stop compressing the videos. So we have here have a 2000 elements. Okay, to see you can see each shots. Well, they are moving. These are 3D moving, not 2D moving, but we take it. Let's see. Yeah, they're in betweens there. But sometimes happens something like this. This is for one shot, this is for other shot. Those transitions, you need to delete it. Delete it. Okay. Okay, well, this is kind of slow. So I made a filter. There is one filter here. This is called color no gray, rename this one to delete. Copy highlight to folder grayscale. We are using right now this RGB. In RGB, okay. We're going to use this. So I put this in the commentary. Okay. So we are going to apply this filter. So what this filter tells you is copy highlight to folder. Copy highlight to folder RGB. Input folder. The input folder is this. You see color. Ah, well, we have this. Is this path 2? Okay. RGB output folder. Create one. Color. A color 2. Okay. This one. I'll make it here. Okay. This path 3. Oh my. Path 3. Okay. Do I need something else? Minimum loss. Okay. This minimum loss is how aggressive you want the filter. I use 10. I like 10. If you want, you could less aggressive filter with 5, but 10 is good. Everything higher than 2 is okay. So I run data preparation again. Run data preparation. Unfortunately, this is okay. There is a book. Input field name. Okay, it's tell me. Let me make it bigger. 20. Okay. Input field name plotted that does much expected type string. Copy my RGB but to 10. Isn't float input field name expected type of string. Let me see. It's weird. Okay, this is the book. In order to get us understand the fields, they need You cannot like color and put all the images here. No, you need to make a subfolder, but here you take this direction, not the direction of C, or you get this error message. It's kind of weird, but it's the way it works. And yeah, and then batch processing, and you can see how the image are processing. Being processed. Okay, and then here are copying the fields into the other folder. Okay, and we can see the fields already filtered. 3, 6, 7, 8. Let's take a while. After this, we need to click and it delete half of the images. Then you need to manually delete the bad ones. This is a bad one. This is a bad one too. Those are good. Okay, aquí there is a problem. You can do something like that. Okay. And they should. Well, okay, no, this is really bad. So this shot and this shot. 3, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. This works. This doesn't works. Okay, I can delete 1. I need to delete 7. So I delete 7 from here, and it gives me a shot of 8. Little tricks I learned during this time. I need to delete this. And a little demonstration of how. Okay. Okay, I need to delete this. This is just 4, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, I give you that. This works. This works also. This doesn't work. Either. Okay, I can make this work. Okay, no, it doesn't work either. But shot. This shot is not good, but it's okay. So I delete this shot. You need to do this for all the image you make. The color change here. This moment is okay. Okay. There are few movement here. What happens is the background moves, so the filter thinks there are in betweens, but there isn't. So I need to delete them. Okay. Okay, so this works. This works. Okay, there are in betweens here. Okay, see, there are in betweens there. The movement is okay here. There is no in between. Use the background is moving, so the filter doesn't detect that. There are moving of the hands. This doesn't moving either. Here I need to edit this, because you need the first keyframe. The second keyframe has a coherent animation. Otherwise, you get error message. No error message, it's a bad quality data. Here, this and this are not the same shot, not the same sequence. This is okay, not good, but it's okay. It's the same shit as shot. This too small. The image is too small. Here, it's not likely to see what is going on. Like this. This is the other type of animation you don't want. Okay, the hand is moving. When the image are static and the layout is moving. It's not what happened here. Gladly. The eyes are moving. Okay, okay. We are in the end. Okay, all these shots are good. So now we need this in grayscale. I don't know. First, we need this in line art, a line art of this. So we create a folder, line art, and then a folder with the name L. Okay. Now you need something that make the line art. I use Sketchkeras for this. Which is Sketchkeras? I haven't, but you can download anyone you like. Data hiking line maker. Data liner maker. There are Xdocs works also, but it's not as good as Sketchkeras. And then I guess I use main here. Okay, this is not in my repository. You can program your own. It didn't it's anything strange. Use Sketchkeras only process was image as you download or clone it from GitHub. So I made like this a function that iterate over the folder. Not anything strange. Okay, go to there. So I take it's Sketchkeras master. Begin. Okay. Entorno. Okay, here. We are here. What we need? Line art. Okay, the output. We need an output. Okay. Oh, in line art, we don't need a subfolder. I see. Part one. Okay, we don't need a subfolder. Raw images. Which raw images are these ones. Okay. I suppose this should work. Main. Okay. Okay. The problem here is Sketchkeras works in another version of the Keras that I have, so I use Anaconda. What is the name of this? Anaconda M list. Anaconda. Turn all TF. Okay, now I can use it. Finish this. Well, okay. I think it's working. Yeah, this is loading the. Yeah, it's loading the model into the graphic card. Now they are processing. It takes 1 second per image, and we have 700 images. This is like it's going to take like 10 minutes. Yeah, it's making the line art. So it's making the line arts. Okay, done. This is the important thing here is in the name. It has the same name as the color one. That can help us a lot later. Like this is the number scene 6 304 and 6. Let me see. 600 602, 300, 300, no, 304. Okay. Oh yeah, 304. This is the real one. So I made another cut here, and when we finish, I show you the next step. Okay. The process stops. So look what happened. Okay, this is the color ones. Now line art. Yeah, we have the line art here. So one important thing is check if the numbers are the same. I have 736 elements here, and in color 2 I have 636 elements, so it's the same. Now we need to extract the in-betweens, those 6 without the keyframes. So to do so, well, you can put any names. Between, it's a good name. Okay. Any name can do the job. Now, documents or between project. Okay, we are in the where we started on our repository. I activate and I change the Keras version with Anaconda. So now I need to okay, I need to make everything grayscale first before the in-betweens. Grayscale. Okay, G. Okay. I paste this into, I delete this to any place can do a job. Something here, like grayscale G. It's okay. So to make it this grayscale, I use transform, create literature, to gray, input data to no, my color to grayscale, no key. No key and input. Add keyframes. Add line art. Add save. Okay. Color to no key. Copy what this does. Color. Where from RGB. No, this one is extract no keyframes. What this does is extract the 6 in the middle of any given directory. Extract keyframes, only extract the keyframes. Flips to all. Copy color to no key. Okay, this doesn't work. Color to gray. Yeah. Color to gray, no key and input. This becomes, yeah. Only the in-betweens make it grayscale. I am something more general. Where is this function? Let's see. Data copy gray, no key. This is in either copy folder. This use color ones. I don't think so. Yeah. Keyframes are color keyframes. Okay. So this one transform into grayscale automatically. Okay. This I need the 2 one. To see what happened. Transform image So what this need? Path keyframes. These are the color ones. Is this path 3? Path 3. 2. Path line art. Okay. The liner path is this. Then this is path 5. Path save. Yeah. We are going to be the input. So I can make input in here and here. Yeah, at 6. At 6. Now there's a slightly book here. Let me check it out. A folder, I need image 2K to path folder 2. I think I'm going to use one. Okay, 0, 0, yeah. To use color 1. Yeah, because I need to use the first one. The difference here is the first one, you use it when you have all the one by one line art. So if you have the keyframes are line art 2, use the first one. When you only make a line art version of the in-betweens, you use the second version. Transfer to click on okay. Let me see this works. Okay, no. Python data preparation dot pay. Yeah, it's working. To see if this is working input as it should. Yeah. So this is the type of the data type we need. First of all, those shows has six images, not 8. 6 images. Okay, the keyframes are not in the sequence. So yeah, the only okay, this is not moving the image. So in the art channel, there is one in between. In the green channel, RG, okay, in the green channel there is the other in between, the other keyframe, and in the green channel is the line art we did with the sketch keras. Everything in grayscale. So we have three images in grayscale, so we can save it in only one image in PNG. Okay, okay. Here there is something really bad. 3 and 6. There is a sequence. Okay, things are not working. 3 and 6. What is this doing? This is making 8. Okay, it's taking the keyframe here also. We don't want that. Yeah, I made a little bit of a mistake. So I don't recommend to use the first one. I don't think, yeah, just a mistake. Yeah, the keyframe. Okay. To see if this override the field. Imagine 6, 3 and 6. I don't know if this is working. Make me do something. Input, I delete everything. see if this works. Okay, it's working fine now. Yeah, let's use the second one. So we have this amount of data, and this is the data type we use to train our neural net. Yeah. So the keyframe, you see the keyframe are in the R and green channels, and in the blue channel is the line art. So you can see how the line art is moving until, yeah, before it gets to the other keyframe, and it stops, and the other, how the, you can see how the lines are moving. Okay, this is working fine. Now to train it, we need the output. We need to tell the neural net what we want, and this is in the in-betweens in grayscale. So to generate that data set, we are going to use gray from RGB. No extract, no keyframe, extract keyframes to images. Copy color to no key. Copy color to no key. This doesn't mean color to gray. No key and input. Da, da, da. Read it. Da, da, da. Remove panel forms, and this is not what I want. Copy here. Copy highlight to folder. Copy green, okay. Okay. Transform to gray folder to other. Okay, what this function does is make the whole folder a gray. Grayscale. Okay, I'm going to use this. Yeah, we need to use this. Transform is here. Transform gray, okay. Pattern out. Color 2, we need to color 2. Color 2 we have it. Yeah, we have it here. It's path 3. And color 2 and an output. And this is grayscale is okay. Grayscale is okay. And we have a grayscale here. Yeah, path 4. Path 4. I save it here to see if it works. Yeah, it works. 836, yeah. Survive, view large icons. Okay. Now we need to delete the keyframes. So extract no keyframes. Variable A1, yeah. This function extract the in-betweens. I could pick a better name. Okay, done. Path path 4. Path 4 is the input. We need to create a no key. Gray, in between. We have it here. Here, yeah, there is nothing here. I'll put it in path 5. It's okay. Path 5 and extract no keyframes. Okay. This should work. Yeah, it's copying. Copy the fields. This is incredibly slow. Oh, this is bad. Okay. Yeah, I don't need this thing. 3, 6. 3 and 6. Okay. We see this is what we want with this is what we expect the net to do, the target. To make this with the keyframes. Okay, they paste everything. This has to be the same number as the input. 552 and input 552. Yeah. For each of one of these, you have an in between. What is this? And the corresponding in between and the corresponding input has the same name. Now you can train the data with this. I show you how you can make it if you want to do that. So this is the data. Yeah, you use train field. Yeah, in the train field, you fill path. Here, in the fill path is where you load the model. Oh, okay, no, it's wait path. Wait path is checkpoint, and in the GitHub is this field. You need to put it there. And in fill path is when you want your checkpoint to be saved. It's not obligatory. You can not use checkpoints. Use fill path when you want to save a checkpoint. And here, input URL, output URL. Input URL is this what we have here. Don't get inside of the folder. This one over here. You put Control C, Control V. Input here, output URL. Ah, yeah, this is this thing over here in between. I need this in a folder, a small folder. So I need to create one. Wait, this is not working fine. Okay, I need to close it. Data in between E. Control A. Control here. A cut. Paste. Okay, I fixed my mistake there. So copy this link, and this is the output. The output URL. Yeah. If you have a validation dataset, you use this here. Otherwise, you need to put under comments those line of codes. You are not going to use an validation dataset or delete it or whatever. And the other thing, okay, is all the links you need to use. You need no change these, how many apples you want to use, and this is all the tutorial I wanna make in the with the training it. If you wanna test it, well, test is way simpler. Let me see where is the fields here. Want to see how this net works. You can use, well, okay, we only need an input and the weight path. So the input, we are use the one I just generate input here. Generate and a weight path. The weight path is here. Checkpoint. Weight path slash the name of the field. Name. Dot hd f5. 5, okay. Here I load the weights, the input, RGB, URL in red. We are going to print the image I generate. We are supposing we are using the net. So here I'm going to test. Here we're going to use here. Okay, test. Okay. And this create the folder and generate the images. Okay, in between, no, this is test. Test.py. Yeah, and then there are generated the images. Okay, we can see it. Survive, view, search icons. Okay, very good. But I use this to show you the example. These images were in the training data set for the weights, so then it doesn't work as good. But okay, it's okay. Do a very good job. Twist it. He tries. As you can notice, the image are not in color. To get color, you need to make an input data, but with each channel. So you need to use the first keyframe and the last keyframe. Use the grayscale, extract the grayscale, but of like red. You take the first keyframe in the red channel, the second keyframe in the red channel. Use the same line art. Then the net gives you the in-betweens in the red channel, and you need to make the whole video sequence for each channel. After that, you merge them. I show you a small examples how I did it for the videos at the beginning. I show you animate data for the HiQ test predictor. Okay, input. Yeah, I have an input for each of the channels. So this is the input like that for the red channel. So for each channel I have to make every one of these and generated. Yeah, the blue, this is the frames in the blue channel, for example. Then I merge them together in RGB. Okay, this is everything for this tutorial. I hope this is helpful. The code is kind of messy and slow, but maybe it can